Praktek membuat tape. Tape apa, men?
The warden
Tape praktek.
led the prisoner down the hallway to his doom. I stood up to say goodbye like all the rest,
Hari ini langsung makan. Hari ini langsung makan.
and I heard him tell the warden just before he reached my cell, let my guitar playing friend do my request. Let him sing me back home with a song I used to hear. Make my old memories come alive.
Ini gagal, proyek gagal.
Take me away
Ini ketua.
and turn back the
Ketua nggak bisa
years.
lihat kita.
Sing me back home
Jadi
before
ketuanya
I
dipecat ya. Proyeknya
die.
gagal.
I recall last Sunday morning,
Proyek gagal untuk apa dimakan?
a choir from off the street came to sing
Ketua siapa?
a few old gospel songs,
Wakil ketua.
and I heard him tell the singers, there's a song my mama sang. Could I hear it once before you move along?
Ini ketuanya siapa?
Sing me back home, the song I used to hear. Make my old memories come alive. Take me away and turn back the years. Sing me back home before I die.
Mana makan? Tape. Ketuanya siapa? Wakil ketua.
Won't you sing